Hello everyone, in this topic, I would like to tell you about why beryllium was used to make James Webb Space Telescope mirror along with gold. What is the reason behind of using the beryllium? Before knowing the reasons, but you have to know about the chemical properties and the physical properties of the beryllium. Because of that, beryllium was also used. Beryllium is a chemical element with symbol Be, capital B and the small letter e, with atomic number 4 because it comes fourth in the periodic table after hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, then beryllium 4. Its color is steel grey and the metal is very strong and lightweight, and the beryllium is an alkaline earth metal, and the beryllium is an divalent metal because its valency is 2. Its standard atomic weight is only 9.012 unit. It is a relatively rare element in the universe, only consists of 0.0004% by mass of Earth crust. World's total beryllium production is 220 tons and mostly found in USA. And then now we comes to the second question, and one of the most important questions of this topic, which is why the beryllium was used. It hides in the properties and the hides in the structural applications. Although beryllium is a brittle alkaline metal, but it is an useful alloy element. Beryllium being alone is an very brittle, but when it is used with an alloy, with any kind of alloy, aluminium alloy, magnesium alloy, any kind of alloy it is being used, then it's become very powerful. And now why the beryllium was used in making the James Webb mirror, that will be discussed. The first reason is the beryllium has excellent electrical conductivity. Second is high heat capacity. The third one is it also has very good mechanical properties at elevated temperatures and very high Young modulus. The Young modulus means its elasticity is also good, for it is also the rigid as well as the flexible, and the beryllium also have very low density, which is only 1.85 times of the water, that makes this metal very light, and that this density is only 30% less than that of the aluminium, whereas its rigidity is 50% greater than that of the steel, and this metal specific rigidity is about 4 times than that of the composites and the 6 times greater than that of the other alloy metals. And the beryllium is excellently stable in the low temperatures and the elevated temperatures. The low temperatures means when temperature goes to the minus 400 500 degree, and the positive temperature is plus 500 degree. In that range, this is stable metal, so its thermal stability is wide range. That is why it was used to make the Webb's mirror, and the beryllium is being used to make the supersonic airplanes and the space shuttle. So it's already been proven material, and that is why the beryllium was used. And the second question is that why most lightest metal lithium was not used to make the James Webb mirror structures. Lithium's atomic number is only 3, which is less than the beryllium, and the lithium is also a metal, being the lightest metal ever found on Earth, but it cannot be used for making any rigid structure. The reason behind that, the lithium is much too reactive and has too low melting point to make something like mirror, and the lithium becomes violent when it comes in touch with the water and almost reacts with every non-metal. Lithium is a super soft metal, and its main industrial applications are in metallurgy, where the lithium alloys are very good for the use to make something rigid like the magnesium lithium alloys. It is harder than aluminium alone, but the alloy is heavier than the beryllium alone and the beryllium alloy. That is why the lithium was not used. It is very reactive with the other non-metals and the metals. I have already mentioned the difference between the beryllium and the lithium by giving you the two pictures. You can go through it. and you can have the very good looks of these two pictures by pausing it. And the next one is why the gold has been used in the James Webb Space Telescope's reflector. What is the advantage of using the precious metal like gold? Because there is a reason. It might have sound bit poetic, but science always have most practical explanations, and these explanations are the telescope is basically an instrument that is extremely sensitive to infrared light emerging from farthest corner of the universe. A light beam becomes infrared when its wavelengths become stretched as it travels for the billions of years. As the gold is a very good reflector of infrared rays, silver reflects 95% of the infrared light, aluminium reflects only 85% of the infrared lights, but the gold reflects 99% of the infrared lights that is encounters. That is why being in rich nations like the USA, European Union or the ESA and the Canada has used the gold and because they can afford it, but the gold they use was very less. The very less it was equal to the 5 rings that we wear in our fingers. So that is in very lesser amounts of gold. So another reason is that the gold is highly non-reactive, also very durable, being very thin. Because this gold only I think only use 25 gram or milligram. So this is a very lesser amount of gold. So that much of gold will not going to cost any normal human beings very less. So that is why gold was used. Gold is very non-reactive that I have also mentioned, and the gold will going to help the scientists to get the 99% accurate Big Bang data from deep universe. That is the main reasons. Data have to be accurate. And the next one is that in the conclusions, I can only say the good luck to the NASA, good luck to the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency to make this mission super successful for humanity, because the world should know what is universe and how important that explorations is. And the question and questions related to this topic is what was the main use of the Kepler telescope missions? The first option is to seek the exoplanets, second is to seek the galaxies, third is to seek the unusual planets, fourth is to seek the comet, fifth is to find the gas giant like Jupiter. And the questions I have also gave you for the UPSC Union Public Service Commissions, which is an exam conducted in the India, and the question is how the telescopes are unrevealing the cosmic biology of universe critically discussed. If you want to give me an answer or write me an answer, then please mail me to my mail address, and my mail address is tuhin.power.academy@gmail.com. Thank you very much for your patience, and I would like to come to you in the next presentations of mine. Thank you very much.